Swagbucks points do not always appear instantly because many activities need to be verified before they're added to your account, and that delay is completely different from points that fail to track. By the end of this video, you'll know how to tell the difference between a normal delay and a tracking problem, plus the best steps to recover missing points. The first thing to do is check your activity or ledger section in your Swagbucks account. If an offer, survey, or shopping purchase appears there as pending, the tracking worked. In that case, you simply need to wait for the activity to complete according to the offer's terms. If the activity isn't listed at all, start by confirming that you completed every requirement. Closing a game too early, leaving a survey before the final completion page, or not meeting an offer's conditions can prevent points from being credited. Next, refresh your account. Close the app completely and reopen it, or refresh the Swagbucks website if you're using a browser. Then make sure you're running the latest version of the app by checking for updates in your device's app store. If you're using the website, clear your browser's cache and cookies, or try a different browser. Browser extensions that block ads, cookies, or tracking scripts can interfere with offer tracking, especially for shopping and partner offers. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it before completing future offers. Swagbucks relies on accurate tracking information, and changing your network location can sometimes interrupt that process. For shopping purchases, remember that merchants usually need time to confirm the transaction before points are awarded. If you completed a purchase recently, check the merchant's stated tracking and confirmation process before assuming something is wrong. If a survey or offer should already have credited but still doesn't appear, gather evidence before contacting support. Take screenshots of the completion page, keep any confirmation emails, note the offer name, and record the date and time you completed it. Having that information ready makes it much easier for support to investigate your missing points. If the issue affects multiple offers at the same time, check whether Swagbucks is experiencing a temporary service problem. A platform issue can delay updates across many accounts until the system finishes processing activity. To wrap it up, check whether your activity is pending, confirm you completed every requirement, update the app or browser, avoid VPNs while tracking offers, and contact support with proof if points never appear. Following those steps gives you the best chance of recovering missing rewards. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and check out our other Swagbucks troubleshooting guides.